Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Hybrid Server Pro core and this is lab 1.2.10 and we're going to use the Azure interface. So you are the network administrator for your company. You have decided to begin the configuration of Azure to help manage your network. You need to create a resource group to organize your Azure assets. So in this lab, your task is to create a resource group using the following information. Azure portal is going to be portal.azure.com and the project details is provided also, and the resource details provided is region and it's going to be West US2, and then let's see, the project details is provided also. So I guess we'll go ahead and just start up lab. So should in case you find this tutorial to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining our professional membership where you have detailed access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel and then turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when our next video drops. Alright, so the lab is open. Let us go ahead and start up lab right away. So for Azure portal, we are given www.portal.azure.com. Alright, so that is what we're going to be using. So we copy this and then we open Google Chrome. Now in Google Chrome, we're going to type in, let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. Alright, so we just copy and paste inside. Okay, all right, that is done. So let's see, I will go to resource groups, and under resource group we want to create, and then to create a resource group you're going to select CorpNet production, and you can see the description name is CorpNet production, subscription name CorpNet production. Resource group name is provided, so we just copy and paste. So the region provided is going to be West US2, and then we're going to click on this and click on create, and we'll go ahead and go to resource group and go ahead and check answers. Alright, so if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification so that you get notified when our next video drops, and so that you have access to a wide variety of educational materials that can help you in your educational journey. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in my next video.